This field is on gate. Then off on the outside, New Lou tries for the lead. Up the rail is Ombro Splurge. Moving right with him is Summary Judgment. In the first turn, Ombro Splurge has the lead. On the outside, Summary Judgment up to challenge and to take the lead. Down the back stretch, Summary Judgment has the lead. Ombro Splurge is second. New Lou parked on the outside third. Sirota Anderson fourth. Jade Prince fifth. The trailer, Wizard Almahurst. At the quarter pole, Summary Judgment opens up a 2.5 length lead. Ombro Splurge is second. New Lou the outside third. The quarter mile in the 28 and 4. Around the paddock turn the first time, Summary Judgment leads at a full length. Ombro Splurge tucks second on the outside. New Lou third. Sirota Anderson fourth. Gap of a length and a half. Jade Prince is fifth. The trailer, Wizard Almahurst, they're in the home stretch the first time. Summary Judgment maintains a length and a half lead. Ombro Splurge is second, parked the outside. New Lou is third at the rail. Sirota Anderson fourth. They're about a half-mile pole, 58 and 3. Ombro Splurge on the outside, up the challenge for the lead. Around the clubhouse turn the final time. Ombro Splurge moves for the lead. Summary Judgment at the rail is second. Sirota Anderson third. Down the back stretch, Ombro Splurge on the outside has the lead. Summary Judgment second. Sirota Anderson starts his move on the outside third. Far outside, Jade Prince comes on fourth. That's Wizard Almahurst, the trailer, New Lou. They're about a three-quarter pole. Ombro Splurge leads it. Sirota Anderson alongside the challenge. 3/4 and 129 flat. Around that final turn, Sirota Anderson on the outside has the lead. Ombro Splurge at the rail is back to second. Moving on the outside, a closer third is Wizard Almahurst. They're at the top of the stretch. Sirota Anderson, middle of the track, has the lead. Ombro Splurge is second. Trying to close on the outside is Wizard Almahurst. Deep stretch. Sirota Anderson along the inside. In front.